Hey Nicole, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. Looking through your website, it looks really pretty. These call to actions are super helpful with your conversions, so those are good to have. Something that I would recommend here would be to add some more content to your homepage. The reason is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they're crawling the internet 24/7, and so they're looking through the websites, reading through the content, looking through for keywords. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google, and then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And so here is an example of a keyword, hot springs French drains. And so when people search this, the first thing that's popping up right here, there is an ad. But if you scroll down, this section is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so you want to be ranking, this one is being paid, this one is paying to be here, excuse me. And so you want to be ranking above these other businesses here. And so the way to do that would be to have a Google Business profile that has more citations than these businesses. And then you also want to make sure that you have reviews and some photos as well. So if we scroll down, this is the organic listing. And so this is where your website would be ranking. So let's take a look. If I see ya. And you want to be on this first page. 90% of people stay on the first page. And so you want to be as high up as possible on the first page, because that other 60 to 70% of business goes down here, and a lot of people stay at the top. So let's take a look at this number one ranking business. This is the first business here, Basement Systems. And if we take a look at their website, got a pretty good website as well. But let's take a look at the back end of both of you all. It would be really easy for you guys to beat them out on the front end with their content. And so I have the Basement Systems plugged into Ahrefs. And so what this is going to do is it pulls data from Google, and it's going to show us some ratings. And so UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a site. And what makes up these numbers are backlinks. They have over 21,000 backlinks coming from over 2,000 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another one. And so it's kind of like a shout out. Google is one big popularity contest. And so not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure that you're getting good quality backlinks, so that these numbers are being boosted. And if you get spammy backlinks, it will harm these numbers here and it will bring them down. And so Basement Systems also has over 30,000 keywords on their homepage, on their website. So let's take a look at yours. So I have your website plugged in here to the same Ahrefs system. And so you have an 18 and a 0.3. coming from 350 backlinks from 27 referring domains, and then 51 keywords on your whole website. And so what I would recommend is getting some more good quality backlinks, and then that way you can boost these numbers here, as well as making sure all the buyer intent keywords that you want to be ranking for are on your website. One way to get more good quality backlinks is called the copycat method. And what you would do is you would go into here and look at all the backlinks that they have, and you would choose the good quality ones, and then you would link them to your website. So if these backlinks are working for them, and they have some great ratings here, they would definitely help you all as well. And so I'd recommend doing that, adding those keywords to your page, as well as having your Google Business profile ranking for all the keywords that you're wanting to rank for. And the reason is because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that will be converting to your customers for you. And if you all ever need any help with any of this, I would be more than happy to help you. Thank you.